While SUVs dominate the market, Mazda is doubling down on cars with the new Mazda 3. Mazda says it's trying to take the new 3 upmarket, straddling the line between compacts and entry-level luxury cars. From our first glance, they may have succeeded. The Mazda 3 will continue to be offered as both a sedan and a hatchback, but there was a bigger styling difference between the two than before. The new 3 will also be available with all-wheel drive for the first time in the US market. All versions of the Mazda 3 will come with a 2.5-liter, 186-horsepower 4-cylinder. The new Skyactiv X engine, which incorporates a mild hybrid system, is slated to come later. Both a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 6-speed manual will be available. Inside, there's a noticeable step up in material quality. The driver's seat will now come standard with seat cushion tilt adjustment to give better leg support, addressing a common problem we found in Mazda products. The interior features a high, center-mounted 8.8-inch infotainment screen. The new system can only be operated using the central control knob. We found the previous system a little confusing, as it would disable the touchscreen functions when driving. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will be available on every trim. Mazda has yet to determine final trim specifics for advanced safety systems, but we were told that automatic emergency braking will now include pedestrian detection. The 3 will also be the first Mazda with a partially automated driving system. There will also be an available driver monitoring system that uses an infrared camera to watch the driver's eyes to make sure they are paying attention to the road ahead. We look forward to putting the new Mazda 3 through its paces at our test track when we buy one of our own. They're expected to go on sale in the spring of 2019. For more on compact cars, check out consumerreports.org.